As you begin working with your document and the various elements you can use to encapsulate content, it's important to understand how the browser is going to interpret, based on the specification, those various items. Some items are going to be considered block elements. Those are containers for grouping things together, maybe just text, or a variety of items. You could have a group that contains a whole section of your document. Those block elements can contain other block elements and inline elements. So as we get into the examples, you'll see use of things like the div tag, which allows you to create a division of your page or a section of your page that you want to wrap in a container and treat as a single unit for some purposes. You also have the P element or the paragraph element, which allows you to specify a chunk of text or other elements that you consider a paragraph. So in the example, the two top level block elements are paragraphs of text, but they might also contain links to other documents or a variety of other inline elements. The bottom example is a quote, block quote, which is rendered here as a block of text as well. Now there are also inline elements. These are containers for text and other inline elements. So in the examples you can see highlighted here, we may have things like acronyms, we may have a span of text within a paragraph that we want to do something with or treat as an overall element. So where you see HTML drives the web highlighted, that span of text we want to be able to treat as a single unit and do things with it. Maybe it's apply styles or script or something else. The key with these is that block elements can contain other blocks as well as inline. Inline elements really are just containers for text and other inline elements. So you can't have, for example, a span tag, which is an inline element, that contains a div, which is a block element. Let's look at some examples of these various tags that are considered block and inline elements for laying out your document.